Welcome. In this video I will show you how to insert an SD card into your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First of all, prepare a micro SD card like this one, and then grab your laptop, turn the left edge of it to face you, and grab your micro SD card and insert it into the micro SD slot right here, like this. Then just press it, carefully push it inside until it clicks. And once it clicks, that means that it's inserted into your PC. And now you can open your File Explorer, go to this PC, and you'll find your USB flash drive right here. So as you can see, the PC recognized my USB flash drive, my SD card, and that's basically it. Now to remove it from your PC, just push it inside a little bit and it will jump right out, and you'll be able to eject it. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.